Tired of seeing those annoying blank spaces in your Tableau dashboards that mess with your analysis? Let's learn how to handle null values effectively in Tableau. First, let's identify where these nulls are hiding. Drag the dimension or measure you suspect contains nulls onto the text shelf. If you see a blank space instead of a value, that's your null. One quick fix is filtering them out. Right-click on the dimension in the filter pane and select filter, then in the filter dialog box, and check the null option to exclude them from your view. For a more sophisticated approach, create a calculated field. Use the ifNull function to replace nulls with a specific value like 0, unknown, or the average of the field. This keeps your data complete and prevents calculation errors. For example, you can use the formula ifNull your field 0. Another powerful way to deal with nulls is to visualize them. Create a calculated field that assigns a distinct category to null values, then use color or shape to differentiate them in your chart, allowing you to analyze patterns related to missing data. You can use the formula ifNull your field missing and drag the calculated field onto color. By mastering these techniques, identifying, filtering, replacing, and visualizing, you'll gain better control over your data, prevent misleading insights, and create more accurate and reliable dashboards. Remember to choose the method that best suits your specific analytical goals and data context.